Hello, my name is Christopher Lavin. I'm an attorney with the Lavin Law Group. A commonly asked question is, who qualifies for Medicaid? Medicaid is a needs-based program that primarily covers long-term care situations. The basics of Medicaid is you have to be sick enough, unfortunately, to qualify. You can't have too much income to qualify, and you can't have too much resources. How do you define sick enough? It can be anything from your age, 65 years or older, disability, which is generally not being able to keep up with the activities that we take for granted, can be anything from getting out of bed in the morning to driving to the doctor. And it also can be an issue of blindness. So age blind or disabled are generally the folks who qualify medically for Medicaid. As far as the resources go, it can get pretty technically. In most terms, an individual, they don't want you to have over $1,500 to qualify. If you have a healthy spouse, it can be anywhere from around $23,000 all the way up to about $115,000 before eligibility clicks in for the sick spouse. And also, you can't have too much income. Right now, the maximum amount of income that they would let the person in a nursing home have before eligibility is no more than $2,000 or so. The majority of that income, however, goes to the cost of care. The person in the community can keep generally from about $1,800, maybe up to about $2,800. So you can see it can get pretty complicated. The numbers can really boggle your mind. So what I'd recommend you do is, if this is an issue or you're researching the Medicaid eligibility process, please sit with a trained professional, an elder law attorney. They should do an assessment for you and tell you specifically where you sit and what you would need to do to gain eligibility. The most important thing is not, am I eligible? Most people are not eligible at the onset. I think the best question to ask your advisor is, how do I gain eligibility for me?